Okay, but have some pineapple, right, Amelia? Wow, wow, wow! Pineapple! Okay, here we go. Hang on. Let's see how we go with this. Pineapple porridge, here we come. Ooh. Up, 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 up. How is it? Hang on, you got a little bit there. How's the pineapple porridge? Not so nice. Don't like it? Let's try again. I thought you'd love it. Okay, have another try. Another try, maybe? Not so sure. Come on, have another go. No? It's nice, it's sweet. Try it again. Come on, give another go. No. Come on. One for mommy. Huh? For mommy? No. Who's that down there? The cat? Hello. She's sleeping. Wanna try again? Little bit? No? Come on. Come on. No. A little bit. Just a bit. Oh. How is it, Amelia? Not so nice. Oh, love. Let's get that little bit that's dangling off there. So no success with the pineapple, huh? You want to try a bit more again? You can try it. There you go. Oops, mommy, I think I made a mistake. Oh, I just wanted the spoon. I didn't want that salt was on it. Ugh. Like you poo-poo. Well, no luck on the pineapple. Hey? No luck on the pineapple stuff. Try something else next time. Alright, honey. But I like the spoon. I like the spoon. Wow. Oh, where's it gone? Where is it? Where's the spoon? Where's it gone? Is it here? Here? Oh, kind of that. There you go. Oh, it's so good to put the pineapple on it. Yeah, that end doesn't have pineapple on it, but oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. Hello. Hello. Do you want to try some peas instead? Shall we try some peas? Yeah? Peas? Okay. Ooh, wait, let's try some peas. Let's see how that goes. Hey, try some peas. Oh, yum. Actually, that's not only peas. That's peas and corn. Ooh. Let's try that. Can I have this? Oh, the pineapple was delicious. Alright, let's give this one a go. Not many people like peas at a young age, but Auntie Method liked peas when we were little. Try it again. Hey, you got to actually put that in your mouth. Hey, spit. Spit. Try the peas and corn. Try again. Not sure how to do that. Come on, give it another go. Try again. It's delicious. Try it. Put it in your mouth. Oh. Oh. Where is it? Where did it fall? Where? Where is it? Where is it? Is that the cat? Where is it? Oh, it's on your leg. Oh. That's okay. Who's down there? Where's the pretty cat? Hello. Hello, Sashi Balloony. It's the cat. You love the cat, don't you? The cat down there? Yeah? Ooh. Ooh, it's the cat. Ooh. Amelia. No go on the peas. No, I just want the cat. Okay.